What's up, guys? So this is going to be a little update on my dad's work truck and a little comparison with the ride height, and then I'm going to ask you guys what you think a little bit later. But first of all, this is quite the sight, isn't it? As you can see here, got the chrome bumper on there. Got a really good deal on that. Just the chrome shell, basically, because it had one little tiny dent in it on a brand new truck. Got some fog lights, and we did the Gen 5 DIY harness, so the fog lights are always on with the headlights and the parking lights. So I'll flip those on in a minute and I'll show you what they look like. So in this broad daylight, it's probably kind of hard to see, but fog lights are on now with the headlights. There's quite a bit of chrome on the front there, but I think with silver it looks good with that chrome. But as you can see here in my truck, I got my grill and stuff painted color matched. But so there you go, if the chrome bumper and fog lights are done. Still looking for a rear bumper. Probably get a chrome one to match. Chrome bumper came with sensor holes in it and fog light holes, which we got the fog lights for it, but then the sensors are really expensive. So what we did is got some plastic little 1-inch grommets. They fit right in those holes. I think it looks pretty good, and we can definitely paint those silver at any time if we want to, make them blend in a little more, but they don't look bad. So we haven't done a rear lowering drop kit like I said we were going to do. We're still thinking about it. Can't decide between raising the front a little bit or dropping the back a little bit. I wanted to get your guys' opinion on that. I got my truck out there to compare. So in the front here, from the ground to the fender is about 37 inches, in the back it's about 40 inches. So you can see what it looks like there from the side view. So go here to my truck. Get the side view of my truck here. In the front it's about 37.5, so it's about a 1/2 inch higher. In the back it's about 38.5, so I have 1 inch of rake. I think this is a pretty nice looking ride height. I don't think it's stock. I wish I knew. I think the back is stock, and what I think is the last guy cranked the front torsion keys a little bit just to try to fit some bigger tires. But so a little comparison between my truck and my dad's truck for the ride height. I wanted to get your guys' opinion on what you thought. If we should raise the front or drop the back. So let us know what you think, what you guys would do, raise the front or lower the back, and any other suggestions for this truck. I guess we've done almost everything that we thought we were going to do. Little back view there. So it does look a little bit higher than mine in the back, but it actually is. So let us know. Also, if anybody's wondering, I have my Camaro style shifter back in. Remote shifter. Still have a couple kits left. Just a little update of what the interior looks like with my console back in and everything. I think I'm just about done with all the stuff that I wanted to do with this thing. So like I said, let us know what you think about my dad's truck. Raise or lower it. Thanks for watching.